Neighborhood TV is committed to keeping you and your family safe, including during the flu season. We know many families are concerned about the mix of the flu and COVID as we head deeper into the fall and with kids back in school. That's why I went to state and local health providers to get answers about what to expect for this flu season. As you might guess, there remains great uncertainty.
A little bit concerned because we've had two very mild flu seasons, thankfully, but that also means that we now have lots of people who potentially are at greater risk for having a more severe flu infection. We don't know when the flu season will occur in Georgia. We really haven't had seasons for the past year. We've had lots of respiratory viruses.
I also asked what our healthcare providers are seeing now.
It's a lot earlier this year. We normally base our flu season based on what Australia is having, and they're having a pretty tough time this year. So I recommend everyone get their flu vaccines early this year.
So what can families do to keep healthy?
So one of the most important things to prevent all respiratory viruses or all viruses in general is hand hygiene. So hand washing, use of hand gels, use of hand sanitizing foam, very, very important. It should just become a part of all of our routines before we eat, after we eat, when we come inside, go outside, after toileting activities. Anytime you can think about it, it's really important to do hand hygiene. And also for younger children to really help them do it properly. And so keeping our hands clean really helps us prevent from transmission of bacteria and of viruses. The second thing is if you have symptoms, to try to stay away from other people. So that means not going to school, not going to work. And now everybody seems to feel very comfortable with masking. And if you feel like you are about to be ill and you have to go out into the community and you have no other choice, wearing a mask is really, really important. And we actually recommend mask wearing at various times when levels of circulating respiratory viruses are higher in a community.
Covering healthcare in North Metro Atlanta, Chris Adam, Neighborhood TV.